All right, now I'm getting ready to exit the highway. You can't see it too well, but the heavy traffic is building up again in front of me. I'm on the side here. Again, my sphere of influence is reduced because I'm not on the main lanes, and so of course when I'm not on the main lanes, stupid takes over, and they start filling in the gap. Oh, they see the empty holes. You see how it clumps up over there, and they'll be filling this up in short manner. Just to fill in the empty spots, and then we'll have more traffic. It'll be heavier traffic. I'm out of here though. So for me, I did my job. Now's your time to do yours. Be patient. Wait. As one of Bach's cantatas say, wait slow. No, I'm sorry. It wasn't. It was. Is that a Vivaldi part? Well, anyway, it's a Vivaldi. One of Vivaldi's compositions. Well, I gotta correct that. It's just I musici. Is it I musici? No, it isn't that either. So my wife listens to this Nueva Era. It is, yes. Nueva Era is an instrumental group. Wonderful music, very romantic at times. You know, they made it more modern. They modernized the sounds of the classics, and they sing one of the songs. I'm sorry, I don't know the song part, but one of the lines it says is Aspetate Adagio. Is it Adagio? Aspetate. Aspetate. And basically the other word means slowly. It's like wait slowly. So I think that expresses it. I'm gonna get that thing right. I'll do another video to clarify those things. I'm not too sure on the particulars, but they were playing it this morning before I left the house, and I'm pretty sure it says Aspetate Adagio, like that, or something like that, which means is slow. So it means Aspetate means to wait slowly. Obviously meaning to, just wait for it. It's going to take a while, but wait. Just wait it and be calm about it. Okay, so I guess the English translation or the transliteration would be wait calmly, be calm and wait. So that's basically what you guys got to do. When you're driving, just be calm. Be calm. Give yourself head time, lead time, I should say. You'll get there, and everyone else will.